Hi, I'm Rasheeda, and today I'm presenting a market basket analysis to increase pastry sales at our bakery. This bakery sells over 90 different products, and this tree map shows our entire catalog. Larger boxes mean more sales, and coffee clearly dominates. When we look at our top 10 items, coffee leads with over 5,400 sales. Bread is second with over 3,300, and our product, pastry, shown in orange, ranks fifth with 856 sales. There's significant room for growth. Looking at traffic throughout the day, we see a clear pattern. The bakery peaks at 11 a.m. with our highest transaction volume, and there's a smaller peak around 2 p.m. These are our prime selling windows. I analyzed the transactions using market basket analysis, and this scatter plot shows every rule where pastry is the recommended product. Each dot is a different customer profile. The x-axis is support, and that's how often this combination happens. The y-axis is confidence, how reliable the rule is. The color for this is lift, and that's how much better than a random chance an item has to show up. Additionally, I took the same scatter plot and I identified the top rules. My analysis identified three key customer profiles for pastry sales. So first, we have the premium combo. Customers buying coffee, bread, and hot chocolate together show a lift of 2, which means they're twice as likely to buy pastries, and this is our strongest rule. Second, the coffee customer. With nearly 5% support, coffee buyers are our highest volume pastry opportunity. And while the lift is lower at 1.15, the sheer frequency makes this critical. And third, the breakfast pair. Coffee and bread together creates a 1.4 times lift for pastries, which is a solid mid-range opportunity. Based on this analysis, here are my 3 recommendations. Since pastries don't have one dominant pairing, place pastry displays at multiple locations throughout the store. For instance, in a clear display case, besides where customers stand in line, and at the register for impulse buys. Make them impossible to miss. Second, our data shows that 11 a.m. is peak traffic, so run a mid-morning pastry break promotion from around 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. when the bakery is busiest. Target the crowd, not the specific product, which in our case is the pastry. And lastly, the data shows pastries need a stronger association. Create a coffee and pastry combo and promote it heavily for about 2 to 3 weeks. We can literally build the customer habit the data currently lacks. And over time, this will strengthen the coffee to pastry rule. This analysis shows that pastries are our opportunity product. With the right strategy, we can create buying patterns that don't yet exist. Thank you for watching.